from hard hats to fat stacks. Let's break down the states where construction work is paying off big time. Number 5, Minnesota, $63,400. Strong work, strong pay, Minnesota rewards hard work. Number 4, Massachusetts, $64,000. Boston hustle, big paydays, Massachusetts has it all. Number 3, Alaska, $65,200. Cold temperatures, but hot pay, Alaska pays big for the chill. Number 2, Hawaii, $68,000. Work hard, live the dream. Hawaii's got both the paycheck and paradise. Number 1, Illinois, $73,600. Big city, big pay. Illinois is where the cash flows. Big paychecks, booming projects. These states have it all. Where would you go to build your future? Let's hear it in the comments.